Ladies and gentlemen, I am rightly in the ODM sales office of the Runwal Group, rightly in the heart of the city of the Kanjurmarg, Runwal Avenue and Runwal Leaf. So in this particular sales office, you see the palatial sales office by the Runwal Group been created over here, and the customers, the revenue generator of the sales office, they comes by the elevator, and that is the Escon elevator that is coming by that. This elevator is rightly installed over there. It's a whispered, quite smoother operation. Recently, we had a discussion and interview with Mr. Rakesh, who is the group president, and Mr. Dilip, who is the senior vice president. They are utterly happy, and the performance of this particular lift, which has been installed, record within 15 days in this Runwal sales office. So hence, post that, there are 6 lifts been installed for Escon elevators, that is 2 automobile lifts.
First of all, I'd like to thank you, Mr. Subeduji, your Escon lift, because our experience is excellent, because these are the lifts which are used by our customers, our prospects basically. And so far, touch wood, there is no problem, and I myself enjoying that elevator, so there is no problem as such. So we are happy to have you as our associated partner.
And we are taking the pride as a brand to be associated with the Runwal Group. It's like a regulated day for us, and we are proud to give them the elevator and install them, and which is performing rigorously year after year. How is the safety? Like if you are traveled, how is the safety? Did you feel comfortable?
Yes, safety is no issue. Your lift is excellent as far as safety is concerned. One, I would like to thank once again that the time in which you delivered the lift, really it was a surprising for us. I didn't have that confidence, but you gained us that confidence, and that's why you are here with us.
Thank you, sir. I would again like to thank you for that. And related to that, if you something small video, something can get into the leads. How is the safety? How do you feel that the safety is no issue?
No complaint as of now is there.
So Dilip sir, how is the experience starting from 2 years at 2023? Now we are at 2025. How do you feel with your songs?
So first of all, thank you very much, Subenduji. It's pleasure to be part of this interview. Your product we have used 2 years back, and I still remember 15th August was our inauguration date for handing over this sales office elevator. The product delivery, installation, and hand over the lift. All 3 elements have to be completed between 15 to 20 days. And we were not very sure that we will be able to do it. It was a record experience for us, pleasing experience that you completed in time and gained our confidence. And from there onwards, you were awarded more works with us in Avenue Retail. You were awarded passenger lifts, automobile elevators. That also the product delivery, installation, testing, commissioning, handover was as per our schedule, and we did not have any complaint. Particularly with the passenger elevator, which we travel, our customers, prospective customers travel every day, and on Saturday and Sundays it is full. The ride quality is very smooth. There is no man trap incident to my knowledge so far, and it is a very trouble-free elevator. The safety features inbuilt are very good. Car elevators also is installed in record time, and overall our experience with Escon elevator is fantastic.
So how is your feeling when you are taking a ride inside the elevator? Let's say for an example of Lemur.
It's very smooth ride. You are at comfort. You don't feel like that you are in elevator. Okay, whether it is elevator is standstill or it is moving, that feeling is similar. So it's very silent operation. Vibration is very negligible or non-existent, and ride quality is very smooth. So the overall experience of ride inside the elevator is very smooth and pleasant.
Sincere thanks for giving us an opportunity and moving ahead and be utmost proud and happy use.
So thank you very much, and we look forward for more valuable association with you in our upcoming projects, and we look longer journey along with Escon.
Thank you, sir.